magdiwang leaders, then they decide to invite Bonifacio to Cavite and intervene in the conflict, being the Supremo. So, meeting sila. Bonifacio accepted the invitation. Nagdawat niya ang invitation. Supremo. Bonifacio accepted. Balik mo na. Invitation and end to Cavite. On December 31, an assembly was held in Imus to determine once and for all leadership of the province as to resolve the rivalry between Magdiwang and Magdalo. The assembly was divided. Magdalo group contended that the Katipunan should be superseded by another form of government. They insisted that the Katipunan was merely a secret society which should have ceased to exist the moment the revolution emerged in the open. The Magdiwang then contended that the Katipunan should remain in the government of the revolutionist because it's already had a constitution and by laws recognized by all. The conflict was not resolved but the meeting ended without ang ilang mga kuwan, ilang leadership, ilang mga leadership, ilang mga pamalawa, katulay.
Word away sa dito group, be legal. Asa may legal ang pag-ibig or the pero there's no solution about the problem because the Magdalo want to be legal and at the same time the Magdiwang also want to be the